We did see 3 inches of snow here in Valparaiso yesterday, but that snow is not going to stick around very long because we do have a warm-up on the way. However, we do need to get through some rather seasonable days first. We're talking temperatures in the 30s before we see temperatures into the 40s and even 50s. We'll talk about that here coming up. High temperatures today, 30. Our overnight low was 20, so temperatures really didn't move very much today. But do you remember on this date back in 2015, we had that overnight low of 1 below 0. Nothing like that in the forecast by any stretch, but an interesting fact nonetheless. Let's try to time out this warm-up for you. Here is Monday evening, or just before the midnight hour. Temperatures are 26 here in Valparaiso. As we move into the overnight hours, temperatures are going to bottom out near that 20-degree mark before warming into the 30s tomorrow. But note this kind of warm air mass that's beginning to try to push to the north and east and into our area. But first, we're going to kind of have this cold pocket that's going to quickly clip through the area as we move into the daytime hours Wednesday and into Thursday. So it's not going to be quite as cold as, say Minneapolis is getting, but just enough of a cold blast to kind of keep us honest a little bit. And then, here's that warm air mass moving ever so close to our area by the time we get into later hours on Wednesday, and fear not, it will be here by Friday. Are we going to get any rain or snow off of this? The answer is no. We could maybe see a couple brief flurries on Thursday, but here you'll notice, on Tuesday, but you'll notice that here's this line of snow just before the noon hour on Tuesday, but as we put it into motion, it's going to kind of dry out. There's not very much moisture associated with this, so we are going to get stuck largely, mostly with clouds here, and then another clipper system is going to skirt through the area. That one dries out as well, and again, we are left with cloud cover. So the story, not too much precipitation, but a lot of clouds for the remainder of this forecast. And then by the time we get to the morning hours on Thursday during chapel break, again, mostly cloudy skies. Let's turn to your forecast for tonight. Overnight, 24 degrees is your low temperature, becoming partly cloudy, so we'll see some of those more dense clouds kind of mix out. And for tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, a few flurries late, no accumulation, don't worry about it too much, and a high temperature of 36. Turning to your 7-day forecast, a pair of seasonal temperatures Wednesday into Thursday, temperatures in the 30s there, and then Friday, not only are we going to see a high temperature of 56, but we will also see rain on that day, so be aware of that before our temperatures moderate and cool a little bit into the final school week before spring break. From the Storm Shield Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Brown.